Watch Bass Fishing with Randy! Alright, Bass Fishing with Randy. This is going to be what was going to be the best video I'd ever done, I thought. At least, so I thought. I came out here, I just finished my tournament. It was a great tournament at Lake of the Ozarks. It was a lot of fun. I did kind of like in the middle, like I always do. Caught some keepers, but what I did realize is the only thing that was working for me as a co-angler was top water. The fish have pushed up and they have pushed up shallow, and they're hitting top water. Today, I'm at the lake, and they have closed off the ramp to public boats. There's no boats out there. No one's fishing. It's like, and I'm walking down this ramp here, and I'm looking out in this shallow, and I am just seeing fish, fish, fish. Big fish, guys. Look, oh my God, there's a freaking 4-pound bass. There's a 4-pound bass cruising right there. Anyway, well, so I should be excited, right? I should be happy. This is going to be great. We're going to go out there and kill them. Yeah, came out to my boat. It's on a slip, for God's sakes. You know? Well, got up on my boat. What is it? The ignition, everything's working. And I look closely. Are those eggs? What? Is that a... Yeah. That's a duck. A duck has laid an egg, or has made a nest in my boat. And this is why you always wear, or always use a boat cover. So what? Oh, like my first thought was like, oh, I'm taking these eggs out of here. I'm gonna kick her out, pick her up, and throw her out. And I was like, no way, I can't do that. Now I'm thinking, how long does it take for eggs to hatch? Anyway, so what this video is going to be is I am going to throw some frickin' frogs from the boat, from my out here, and see if maybe I can get a bite. The fish look like they're cruising, they look like they're active, and I have seen several big fish back here. So, let's see if we can make the most of it, but I think we could have had an amazing video, and it's really unfortunate. I got about 5 feet of visibility, and I can just see all these fish in the thing, or in the lake. But here's what did all the damage for me at the tournament. The Greg Blanchard frog, man. I put every single frog on there, and the one that got me the bites eventually was this one. I was getting a lot of blow-ups on all of them, but the one that got me and kept it for me was this one. And this one really was more active. I hope you can see this there. There's a mat. You see that mat of stuff there? I mean, Yahtzee. Am I right, folks? There's a snake swimming through it right now. He's really shallow. He's like an inch shallow, so maybe that's a good indicator that he's worried. Now, since I'm right-handed, and I can only throw to the left... Oh my God, there's another big fish! Ah, they're just cruising. I think they're all in both phases of just spawned and about to spawn. So it's very active right now. Alright, I'm just going to, since I'm right-handed, I'm going to throw this way. And we're going to go chip, chip. And I'm going to throw as far left as I can, because I'm going to kind of go left to right. I don't want to ruin all of this stuff, but the more right I go, the weaker I am with my technique. So, anyway, here we go. Let's see, make sure this is a good angle here. I'll lift it up a little bit. I have no idea. I can't really see. I'm sorry about the sounds here, folks. Thanks for bearing with me. This is unedited bass fishing with a duck in your boat. Take 1. Let's make sure my drag is not on there too tight. Okay, that's way too deep. So first of all, I'd rather be more left than right, but this is not going to work. I mean, not with that attitude, but let's see if we can get one over all the deep stuff over here. You can tell I've been doing this for 9 hours. the day before, because it's like second nature to me. But yeah, I knew right off the bat that was the worst cast ever. And it was way too deep. I mean, I threw it in probably 12 feet of water. So we want to get it kind of right where that moss starts. Right where that moss starts. But I don't want to get too, there we go, that's perfect. I'm going to let all the, I'm already seeing some, might be some carp, but I'm already seeing some ripples. But we're going to let the ripples kind of subside. We're going to let these fish hopefully forget about it. And I'm just going to give it a couple twitches like a popper. Pop, pop. And then walk, 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 walk. Pop, pop, pop. And now I'm probably too deep now. So I'm going to reel it in and try it again. And get a little more shallow. I'm just going to keep working left to right. Like 3 feet at a time. Oh, baby. If you see, I'm really working. I really want to get about 6 feet to the right of where I'm at eventually. I think I just got a little twitch there by bluegill. It's only about 2 feet where I'm at right there. I stop on the pads. I'll come out by the pads and I'll stop again. I'll make a big splash. So it was kind of a popper. A popper probably would have worked too, but there was so much sediment where I was that I didn't really want to mess with it. Alright, nothing yet. So I'm going to go pretty far over right this time because I think we kind of worn out that right side, or that left side. So I'm going to kind of work on this side. That was a big splash. I kind of wanted to hit the rocks and I wanted to pull it in slowly so that they didn't notice it, but we'll see. There's one over there and it's bedding. Come on. And when you hit it, you got to kind of have them, let them take it, and then give them the business. And also, make sure your drag is set. I'm pretty sure my drag wasn't set for one of my hook sets yesterday during the tournament. So who knows if I could have hit them, or because I got so many blow-ups where they missed, but oh, that was not good. Alright, that didn't work either. Alright, we're going to go in the middle of the mat. I'm going to throw it on the rocks. And oh my gosh. It's just not the best cast right there. I just landed right in the middle of it. So let's let it settle. For all I know, that area is just dead, and I'm just, that's what sucks about having a 60-yard fishing radius today with a duck in your boat. I got a duck in my boat. There's a duck in my boat. Oh my god. Hit it. Hit it. If I was a fish, I'd eat that frog. Okay. Alright, there's nothing over there. Let's try this cable here. Let's try this here cable. Under the cables, that's where mine were yesterday. I'm gonna let the I'm just going to basically keep going until it's at like 6 feet of depth. And then I'm out. And then I'm out. I'm going to go to the next cable. Oh, we're running out of cables, folks. Oh, that's a bad cast. We're right in the middle. Whatever. We'll do it in the middle of the cables. And in the middle of the cables cast. Oh, I got a blow up there. It was a bluegill, I'm pretty sure. I saw his little nose. Huh. Isn't that funny? We get a blow up on the middle of the cable. Alright, let's go over here. Ooh, this might get interesting. Oh, you monkey. I cleared the cable and then I gave it an extra pull, which made it look very unnatural. Should not have done that. I just did not want to get it hooked on a cable because there's no getting it. There's no getting it back today. With a duck in your boat. Hopefully we can get some duck luck. Get some duck luck. Get some duck luck. I do have to say, I've caught some giants on the Cinco in this area. In the very, very minimal time that I've actually fished in this, behind a boat like this. A lot of times it's just, I'll bomb a Cinco out there because while I'm here. First cast. Yoink. Alright. Let's go to there. Oh, that was a little too much there. So yesterday my keeper, I threw it as we're going around a dock around the Ozarks, so it's in and out of docks. And the wind was flowing in towards the dock, so I threw it and just let the current take it in. Once that current took it into the shadow, boom, boom, sploosh. The problem is I don't have any shadows over here. My shadows are over here, where it's frickin' 20 feet. Maybe 15 feet. Alright. Let's go to this cable. We're left-handed now, it's no fun anymore. Alright, that was the worst cast ever. I just realized I was about to hit that motor, and then I realized I was going to hit the camera, and then I did both. Well, I didn't hit the motor, but I don't have to go to this side to frickin' throw to that cable here. Oh, that was the weirdest cast ever. Oh, that's a really good cast. Whoa. Now, if I catch a fish here, I'm going to smash my motor, but it might be worth it. Ooh, this is a good angle. Well, maybe not for you. It's a good angle for me. Right over a... Oh, here comes the mallard duck. He's pissed. He's like, wait, what the... Wait. He's like, wait. There's somebody in my boat. You're the Goldilocks in this scenario, duck. Not me. Yeah, I bet you're pissed. I bet you're pissed, duck. There's Daddy Duck. He's pissed. Alright, if I throw it that way, am I gonna hit that and just backlash forever? Oh, but I have no power. Oh my god, I did. I threw it to that side of the... I threw it to this side of the thing. Alright, duck. Let's check the duck. Duck check. Duck check. How you doing, duck? Well, you're fat. You have 1, 2, 3. You have at least 3 eggs. 4, 5, 6 over here just by themselves. I hope I didn't make them roll out when I jumped in the boat. Oh, we got excited. What does that have to do with the duck in your boat? the things you have to do when you got a duck in your boat. This is not good. There's my stupid phone going off. It's too late. Alright, let's see if we can get over to... I wish I was a left-handed thrower at this point. I just can't. There's just not a lot of angles here. Here we go. I can probably do this here. Sorry about the sound there, folks. Alright. Oh! No! You missed it. I don't think I have it. Did you see that, folks? Oh, man. That was it. I'm all tangled up. I did not get in position because it hit right away. Should have been throwing a freaking whopper plopper. And try that again, guys. Should throw a Cinco. Ooh, there's some shad following my deal. Oh, that was unfortunate. I have to go on this side to get it. Oh, gosh dang it. You finally got one, huh? And you couldn't set the hook. Oh my god. And now we backlash again. This is an awful day. Foiled by a duck. Fouled up by a duck. Okay. Oh my gosh, we got a blow up. That could have been a 4-pounder. Oh my god. Yes. No. No. Okay, so I got it hooked on a rock, and I unhooked it on a rock. I'm in a bad position now, which sucks. But let's see what happens. Oh my gosh. Is that a carp? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I was not ready. I think that was that big fish. I don't think that was a carp. Oh my god. I can't set the hook. I can't set the hook, man. Oh, he missed it again. Something is going after it in the middle there. It looked like a giant. Oh my god, did you see how it just slurped? I think that was a giant, guys. I saw what I thought was a carp, and then it came out. I hope you saw that. Maybe in post-production I'll be able to edit it so it doesn't look like terrible shit. But there's a fish right there looking at my bait from up here. Let's see if I just set it here. Interesting. Oh, these geese. What are you doing, geese? What is this, bird day? Get out of here. There's fish taunting me. Ah. Foiled by a duck. Fouled by a duck. That's gonna be the title. That's gonna be the title of this episode. Fouled up by a duck. Bass fishing with Andy. Quit bathing in my area. Duck. Goose. Oh, I hate geese. Alright, here we go. Oh my god, that's a good one right there. Alright, I'm just gonna stay on this end so I can... Shut up, duck, goose. Fucking duck, duck, goose. Oh my god. Man. How about I put on my glasses so I can freaking see? Oh my gosh. Alright, I'm gonna put on my glasses. You thought I could see before. Everything was so crystal clear. We've had 2 blow-ups. One of which was probably a freaking 6-pounder. I really doubt that a carp would hit a topwater. Oh my gosh, look, 2 more eggs. We got 5 eggs there. 6, 7, 8 eggs. Just the worst. Just the worst. See here, they're all strict about where you fish from. So I'm afraid to get too far over without getting them mad at me. I'm just not getting the distance I really want to with this thing. It's tuned down as far as it can go. Alright, let's turn it a little bit this way, camera-wise. See if we can get back over there one more time. Alright, that's pretty good there. Maybe I need to slow down. Alright, I'm gonna sneak. Let's sneak over there. See if we can get closer without anyone yelling at us. I just walked through a spider web. This way. Hopefully, don't tell anyone. Oh, there's no boat right here. Yes. Okay. Alright, there's a giant carp down there. So in carpe land. Get out of here, fucking goose. Ooh, baby. Okay. Come on, goose, get out of here. Get out of here, goose. Get out of there. Goose. Alright, that's a perfect cast. Here we go. If we're ever going to catch one here, it's right here. Oh! We got a hit, guys. And I guess I set the hook too soon. Now look, if you're a good fisherman, what you should do right now is throw a Cinco in there and catch it. So I'm gonna let it sit for a second. Throw over to the right. I'm gonna come back here and do it again. Oh my gosh, we're already getting. That's probably bluegill then. Oh my god, we got a little nibble, something. Man. Alright, let's go even more left if I can. That's pretty good right there. That could be a big one because there's a drop off right there. I'm gonna let it drift me more shallow so that I can have a shallow to deep presentation. And now all come on. Alright, let's throw back over to the... That's a carp. Not a fish, not a big fish. Let's throw it back over to here. See if we can get them to love me. Man. Alright, last one. And we're gonna go to the other side. Oh my gosh. Poopy. I lied about the last one. That there is is that a carp? Yeah, it's another carp. Dang it, I thought I saw a big fish. Alright, well. Yeah, it's a carp. Alright, we're gonna throw it over that corner. If I can make it. Can I make it? We haven't really hit this house thing over here. We're under the bridge. Here we go, under the bridge. Okay, one more. I want to see if I can get in the shadow right there that the that house is making. And if I can't, God have mercy on my soul. Oh, I didn't. I was about to throw it into the... Oh, I almost threw it into the... Oh, God, okay. Well, let's give up on that one. Let's go to the other corner. Oh my God, did you see him? He hit it. He hit it up in the air. I thought he took it under again. He didn't. Can't see anything. They hit it up in the air. Pretty funny. Oh my gosh. This frog is a heartbreaker, man. Heartbreaker lure. Alright, let's go back to where we was. Throw a couple more, and then we'll throw a Cinco. And thus we'll conclude our adventure. See if I can get over here. Jeez Louise. How's our duck doing? Doing alright, duck? Took over my frickin' boat. I thought about it, just driving this thing, drive it. Duck it. Alright. Goose. Don't screw me over, goose. Alright, that goose started coming right towards where I was gonna go. Go away, goose! Alright, we can't stand there. Oh. Oh no. Where did we have that other blow up? Already forgot. It was in the middle, wasn't it? Yeah. Because now I can see that there's actually moss right there. Oh, this is an evil prank. Yeah, I hope you bite this goose. So this duck here is what, taking a nap? He's stressed out. He's like, oh, I'm taking a nap. I'm just gonna take a nap since I can't come to my... What are you doing, duck? Ooh! Oh, this is just terrible. Alright. We have blow-ups. We know there's fish in there. It's still a worm. We gotta catch one for this video. I'm thinking a shaky head. Where is my goddamn shaky head? There it is. There's my shaky head. Shaky head on a 1/8 ounce weight. I don't know how often these fish over here get to see a shaky head or something like that. I don't know how far I can cast this thing. I might have to go with a freaking spinning rod. Alright, well, first place we had a blow up was where? Over here, I think. So let's throw it over here. It's gonna be inside the cable, I believe. Yeah, my side of the cable now. See, there's a fish right under that thing. Terrible cast. Alright, it's my fault with the casting. Oh my god, I can't throw this thing either. What's going on? I need a new reel with my... I need to have a different reel for my shaky head. Yeah, remember, this is my swim bait rod, and I put a shaky head on it right at the end. This normally has a more heavy swim bait on it. I was just throwing this and letting it drift in the wind. Oh, that's a fish. Ah, there we go, boys. Look at it going. Here we go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Get away from there. Here we go. Can we pull it up? It might be a keeper. It is not a keeper, but it's a fish. And I told you it was just running away. I just saw my line going, and I was like, oh, I better set the hook. We didn't feel it, but we saw it. Okay. So that's how you catch a fish, I guess. That's a shaky head fish. They're going to catch him here, or they're going to eat here. We're just stuck at this spot. It's no fun being stuck in one spot. Alright. So, hey, not bad. I mean, he is... Shoot. At least a pound. Take a look at him on the golden... on my little golden rule here. I guess I do have a golden rule. 14? Boom, boom, 13 inch. If we catch a good one, I do also have a, he's very heavy for a 13-inch fish. I do have a scale. Let's let him go. Hope you guys can see this closely. Alright, I'm just going to drop you. Well, he had a lot of energy. I'm going to back up gently, rinse my hands from his nasty bass. Alright, let's do that again, shall we? Really tangled up after a bass catch sometimes. Let's just really be kind of mindful. Set up, be slow, be deliberate. I'm just going to use this same worm. Doot. It's still good. This is a floating worm. Alright, so there's one. Let's throw somewhere completely different. How about over here? Ooh, alright. We're on that side of this side of the cable. We definitely don't want to be on the wrong side of the cable. That's not good. That was about the size of the bass I was catching all weekend. I think I see a bed right there. I'm gonna. You know what? No, I don't. That's the reflection of a cloud. Not to be confused with a bass bed. Okay. Can I get on this boat? Are they here? Would they get mad at me? Oh, that's such a bad cast. With their boat in the water, it makes me think that they are going to be actually over here soon. Alright, shaky head. Bad cast again. Didn't feel the bite last time. Must have ate it on the fall. Next thing you know, the thing was just in the middle of the lake, so I knew there had to be a fish on it. This one, not so much. Get over. One's in the middle. Oh, nope, I was on a bite, but it's a rock. I like going over rocks, but there's that bass, that big bass again. It's right there. God, if we see this thing walk away, you start shitting your pants. Oh my God. It's not the same one, but it is a good one. Oh, God damn. We broke off. Oh, this is an adventure. There he goes. Here's a good one. That was a terrible video right there. I'm on this person's boat. Oh my God. That was not the big one I thought it was. But it was a good one. Now he has a shaky head stuck in his freaking face forever. I had him pinned, and then oh my God, what a video. I had him pinned and I tripped. I don't know. I can't wait to look at the footage. That was probably a 3-pounder. But I had him pinned. And then I about fell. And I let him go. I could have dove and got him, or I could have kicked him again and grabbed him with my foot or stepped on him. I just decided to get the shot. So I hope I got the shot of it. I think it'd be funny. Alright, well, let's retie a frickin' 1/8 jig head. And just keep it up with the floating worm, because clearly that's the jam. One thing I know they do over here is there are tournaments over here. And they do release fish right in this area, I think. Which is probably why there's better than average fish. But also, they don't allow fishing back here unless you're a slip holder. So, whatever. I don't know how long this video's been so far, but usually my videos are like 25 minutes uncut bass fishing. So far we've made like 3 casts and caught 2. Second one, I guess it didn't count. I mean, I touched him. I had his hand on I was holding him by his stupid lip, and I could feel that. I knew that line was going to break. I could feel it, like it's about to break. Just didn't really care. But since these fish are getting a little bigger, I'll bring the net over. And that might have made things a little bit easier on me. Okay, let's find those. This is going to be a bad video for a second. I gotta find these baits. And they could be anywhere. This is chaos. Yes. Well, we found them quickly. It's lucky. Alright. Thank you for your patience, my friends. Hey, hopefully you used this opportunity to get a bathroom break or something. Alright, we're gonna catch another one here. We're probably gonna have to edit this video. Edit out the fuss. I can't believe we missed that. That fish is having an interesting day. That fish. Now, I don't think that was the big fish that I was fishing for, because he looked smaller once he was hooked. But it is kind of cool that I've thrown at a big fish twice, and we've got a blow up or almost caught a fish. Let's do that. I'm going to keep it with that little bow in there so it gives it more of a little turn. I'll stay here just in case the person who owns this slip didn't just pull in and wants to kill me. Alright, let's do it back exactly where we were. I can't believe I had a tick. It goes tick. And it was just like, oh, okay. That's how you write it up. That last fish. Couldn't believe it. Oh, I got another one, guys. Oh, no. Never mind. That's a rock. Okay. Well, that was my 4th cast. I need it to be this side of the cable, please. Are you on the side of the cable I need you to be? That's too bad. We got those bigger fish than I thought. Oh. Man, maybe it was that fish that I saw. Who knows? Alright. Nothing on this cast. Let's go further over. I see more difference over there. I see some, ooh, this might be good. If we can stay out of the moss over here, this might be good here. I have a feeling we're in the moss, though. I think I'm gonna have a bunch of moss on it. No, I don't, but bet a little bit of moss. I know it's more shallow kind of right there, so that's why I'm letting it go. Well, this time you not let the... Oh my god, we gotta learn to land the fish. We gotta learn how to land a fish, kids. That was embarrassing. I took it way too... I didn't take it seriously enough. I was like, ah, fuck it. My life flashed before my eyes when I started to let him go. I was like, nah, just grab it with your foot, you fool. Like, oh, ho, 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 it got away, no big deal. Like a 3-pounder. Alright, here we go. There's a chance here. Is that line moving? No, it's not. Ooh, I thought the line was moving. I think that one that I caught went and told the rest of them, or the two that I caught have gone and told the rest of them. You guys, there's worms that hurt out there. Don't eat them. It's not what you think. What you know what I don't think is, I don't think I can cast left-handed very far with an 1/8 ounce weight on a shaky head. Ugh. We almost caught one on it over there. Should we go back to our little spot? I think we should. Where there's no boat. Oh no, am I on the other side of the cable? No. Man, guys. I mean, it's still exciting to lose a fish, catch a decent fish and lose them. But I don't know what I was doing. I don't know what I was doing. I tried to boat flip it, but I didn't have any room to flip it, and so I couldn't get it. I had to pull the frickin' line. Ugh. Can you tell this bothered me? That bothered me a little bit. Because I kind of wanted to hold it and see. I did hit. It was about twice as big as the first one. There's no way there's not a fish over here. So let's do it. Oh my god, is that a bass? Hold up. There's a bass right under me. And it's a big one. It's got freaking moss all over. I got moss all over. Are you cereal? Ooh, there was some big carp in the water.